1.5, lifting and rolling. First 8-count combination, 3/4 shimmy, Algerian shimmy. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. So we've done this one before. This leaves our right foot open. We're now going to go into a chassé. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just a basic chassé. Let's take it from the top, 3/4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now give me that chassé. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Snake arms, snake arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, leaving our right foot free. Hip twist for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Let's put that together. From the top, 3/4 shimmy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side to side. And in, chassé. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hip twist for 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Flat foot adding on. Figure 8. Figure 8. Back to side. Left hip. Figure 8. Figure 8. Back to front. You remember this one. Up to tempo. And give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Figure 8. Figure 8. Large circle to the back. Again, figure 8. Figure 8. Large circle to the back. Let's put it together. 1.5, 3/4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, Algerian 6, 7, 8, side to side, and in, now chassé, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, lean and lean, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hip twist to the right for 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 again, 1, 2, 3 and 4, good, flat feet, figure 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's do it again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chassé, chassé, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and lean, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hip twist for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, good, figure 8, it's right and left and back to side, it's left and right, back to side and close. Take a deep breath. Oh, and release.